Welcome back to Glide Mastery. This is step 2, in which we will continue from where we stopped in step 1. In this step, we will be setting up the front end. We will add the action row component, which we will use to set column value and have an icon to show when an item is favorited or saved by the signed-in user. We will then clear the name and label by selecting Custom, so as we can only see the icon alone. Let's configure the action. We do not need to change the title. We will select the favorite icon that is outlined under Glide Essentials. For the action, we will select Set Column Value under Data. Then set the value of favorite to true. Now we are done with setting up the button to favorite things. Next, we will clone this action button and do the opposite for the icon and setting the column value for favorite. For the icon, we will select the filled-in favorite icon. It's in social media's reward ratings under Legacy. Then select Clear Value to clear the value in favorite when signed user clicks on it. Now we will set visibility condition for both action buttons. First, we will set the visibility condition for the outlined favorite action button, whereby it should be visible when favorite is empty. Like for now, the favorite column for this thing is empty, that's why we can see the button. We will set the visibility condition for the other favorite action button, which is filled. This will be the opposite, whereby the button should be visible if favorite column for this thing is not empty. So the button is not visible because the favorite column is empty. Now we can toggle between the buttons using the visibility condition we have set. Now we need to have a place where we can see things we have favorited or saved. That's what we are going to do next. We will add a custom screen for that. Label the screen favorite and change the icon label to the outlined favorite icon. But you can choose the one you like most, the outlined one or the filled one. Remember, the source of the data in this screen need to be things, as we only need to see the things the user has as his favorite. Now we will add card component under collection. Make sure you select card. I will tell you why later as we progress. Under design size, select L for large. We will be adding a primary action button to unfavorite things on this screen. This the reason why I told you to select card component, as the other collection components do not have that option to have the action button at the bottom of each item. You will see that later. Toggle off Edit and Add Action for this component. Then click on Enable Advanced Actions. Add Primary Action button, name it Unfavorite, then select Set Column Value under Data, then set Clear Value for Favorite. This will unfavorite this thing. Now we need to filter which items we need to see on this screen. To do that, click on Option, then Filter. Set the filter condition as when favorite is not empty. This will help the signed-in user see the things he has favorite. Now we can see that this user has favorite this thing, which we can either unfavorite it from here or from the details screen for this thing. We will set the visibility condition for the favorite screen so as the user can be able to know when he has anything as favorite in the favorite screen. To do that, we will use the roll-up column that we had set in the back end, whereby we set the visibility condition as the screen should be visible if the roll-up column of the user doesn't equal 0. This means when the user has favorite a thing, the roll-up column will count that and the screen will be visible. Otherwise, it won't be visible as there is no item or thing the user has as his favorite. Like right now, the user has not favorite a thing, so this screen is not visible. That's all for now. Let's see how it works. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment or question in the comment section.